Welcome back to Tech Time with T, guys. Today I have 2011 VW Jetta 2.0 engine. We are going to change the spark plugs today. I'm going to show you step by step what tool it's going to use. And this is the part number is AP5224. That is the from Advanced Auto, Auto Light Platinum. So let's go for it, guys. Spark plugs today.
Okay,
Say it.
okay, tool intro, take one, action.
Alright, that was a little weird, but hey, try something different, right? So these are the tools we need. It's the spark plug pliers, alright? And also you get an extension with a ratchet. Also, you actually need a socket, 16 socket, the deep socket, for take out the spark plugs. And also, I would recommend also you need a like an extension magnet also, because you can actually buy the tool specifically for the spark plug if you want to buy a set of it or a tool for it. Okay, so those are the tools: pliers, extension, ratchet, and 16mm socket, and a magnet extension. Let's go for it. All right, great. So first thing you want to do is remove the wire where the bracket is, so that way you have access to the spark plug wires. And that's the first step I want you to do. And then the second step is remove the wire harness for the fuel injector right here. And just remove that out. We just take a clip and pull it out. So basically, the reason you do that is the one inside. There's two inside of spark plug. You need to remove the fuel injector wire harness to gain access to it. So that's what we're gonna do. So basically, you want to do first right here, as you can see, just slide it out, just that bracket. I can see it there, just like that. And this one is the bottom one. Actually, is for the spark plug wire on the bottom, so I can see it's wide open now. All right, the second you want to do is right here. You guys can see, just take out the spark plug wires to the bottom from the bracket. You just like slide out. Basically, that's what it is. There's two here. There's a third one, and then there's a last one. That, and there you go. So now it's movable. Nice access to this location. All right, the third thing you want to do is remove the fuel injector for the wire harness. So it's right there. So basically, you want to do is just like press the clip here and pull up. Okay. I'm not blocking you, but that's what I have to do. There you go, just like that. All right. And that's it. And then we just get the tools and remove the spark plug wires. All right. Once you have gained access to the spark plug wires, you need your spark plug wires plier. Just grab it and just pull it out, just like that. Squeeze it and just pull. And here is my spark plug wires. Perfect. All right. What you want to do now? You have access the harnesses or wire harnesses, or not the wire harness, the spark plug wires out. So now get your handy dandy extension, and then your 16mm socket, and get it out. All right, when you remove the spark plug wires, you can see the spark plug is wide open. It's nice and easy access. All right, all you do is just do that, nice and snug, and you just, there you go, and now you're loose. Once it's loose, just take out, remove the ratchet and just do it by your hand. You can. No, you can't. So we got to be a little bit that. Here you go. Nice and easy. Just do it by your hand. Just like that. So when it's loose, you just get your magnet, extension magnet, just grab it. So just like that, out. Use your hand, and right there, this is the spark plug. All right, once you get the old one out, here's the new one. These auto lights. There you go. And what you want to do is just want to compare it real quick. It should be correct anyway, but just want to show you. So that's what the difference is. As you can see, this is the old spark plug and this is the new spark plug. And see how the tip on the old one is like shorter and the new one is longer, as you can see. All right, so that's what it is. That's how you compare it. And this was it's already pre-gauge already for the tip. All right, to install it, so basically you want to do is just like use the extension and the 16mm socket, like that, and then just try to put it in there. It's easier for extension, so that's in. You want to use your hand first before you tighten it with the socket. All right, so it's going in nice and easy. If it's too tight, you want to try also, you can back it out a little bit. Just want to make sure it actually go in nice and easy. If it's starting getting too tight. Okay, so that's like almost, it's in, it's very snug. So now you want to do it just use the ratchet and tighten it up. All right, extension time to tighten up the spark plug. There you go. Nice and snug. There you go. And okay, nice in there. You don't want to go too tight either. You don't want, because you might like strip the spark plug, the thread. So would not be a good idea. Okay, so that's all you need to do. And next time, you just put the wire back on. All right, once you just use your spark plug plier, just squeeze the spark plug wires, and that's what you want to do, nice and tight, and you want to install it. All right, once you make sure it's snug in there, nice and tight, and what you want to do, just try it out, try to pull it like that. I can see you can't really do it. All right. So it's nice and snug inside in spark plug and the wires. So we're good to go on this one. All right. So the spark plug wire is back in, and then you want to do is just put the wire back in the bracket. That's what I'm doing. So just that there. This is like an organizer basically. That's what it's for. Go, and then this one. Boom, we're good to go, just like that. All right, next one, just put the top bracket back. Just snap it in. This one here, then one on the top, just like that. So it's nice and organized. All right, once everything is back in place, the last step I want you to do is put the wire, fuel injector wire harness back. Just snap back in, I can see, just like that, and that's it. Okay, that is how you complete it to change the spark plug, put the wire harness back, okay? And just want to let you know, to gain access to spark plug number 3, it's a little inside, like right under the manifold. You don't have to remove the manifold, as I said earlier, but you gotta remove the fuel injector wire harness to gain access to this number 3 spark plug. Okay, so I just want to let you know that part of it. Everything else is the same. Number 1, number 2 is take out the fuel injector wire harness, and then you just take out the spark plug wires and just take out the spark plug. Okay, you have access to it. It's a little like crowded, but you will able to take out the spark plug for all 4. Just want to let you know that part of it. But you gotta remove the fuel injector wire harness. Alright guys, I just want to show you this real quick. As you can see, the spark plug plier, wire pliers is positioned, and you have to remove the injector right here. So basically, just remove that. As you can see, you have access to it. So and you just pull it out, okay? Or like you gotta move it a little bit, like to the left or right, and then you just pull it up. The spark plug wires. As you can see, I want to show you real quick. Alright, but I'm actually not going to change it. Just want to show you, you do have access to the spark plug number 3. The same as number 2 and number 1, alright, on the other side of the manifold. Alright guys, I just want to show you also, this is the spark plug number 1, right here. You guys can see it's wide open, very easy access, so you just grab the spark plug wire tools, just take it out. So basically that's what it is, like the plier. Alright, this is number 1. I'm going to show you number 2 right after 2 also. Alright, also here I told you I will show you this anyway. Also, right here, this is the injector, fuel injector wire harness. Just take that out to gain access to number 2 wire harness. Okay, so basically take it out. It's just a clip. I'm probably blocking you, but let me show you. There you go, just like that. You can see wide open. You can actually have access to it. Just put your plier over there and just grab it out, and that's what we need to do. Once again, I just want to show you the position of the plier to pull out the spark plug wires, as you can see right there. And as I said before, it's very tough. It's tight, but you still do not need to remove the manifold to gain access to the spark plug when you change the spark plugs. Okay, that's how you do it right there. And you do it, just wiggle a little bit, just pull up, and you should be okay. And then you just use the extension and get out the spark plugs and replace it with a new one. So it's pretty easy and basic, but it's a little tight for spark plug number 2 and number 3, but it's doable. All right.
Yeah, try to stay away from the blueprints.
Say, closing, take 1, action, snap.
Closing, take 1, action. Action! Hey, that is how you change the spark plug for 2011 VW 2.0 engine. All right, basic, easy. Hopefully you can follow my instruction. Nice and easy. Just check out my video, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. Tech Time with T. Peace out.